Hi everyone, and welcome back to Brains Are Beautiful. So in today's episode, we're going to be looking more into our linear equation series going on here. And so in this specific video, we're just going to go over the different formulas for an equation of a line and maybe the variables in it and kind of how to manipulate those. In future videos and previous videos, we've done examples, we've graphed, and so this is just kind of some background information. So if you need more help with specific problems, then look at the rest of those linear equation series videos. So we're going to start off with, we have three ways to represent a linear equation. So a reminder, a linear equation is just a straight line. That's all it is. A linear equation describes a straight line. So our three equations are point-slope formula, slope-intercept formula, and standard form. So I'm going to give a little bit about each of these, and these are all super useful, super easy ways to use once you get comfortable with them. So I think you guys will like these a lot. So for point-slope form, our formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, and I'll go back after I introduce all the equations and I'll tell you what every letter means and how to solve for the different letters. So our next equation is going to be slope-intercept form. And this is basically if you got the slope and you got the y-intercept, you have the equation and you have the line. It's really, really straightforward to use and it will save your life on multiple occasions. So our formula is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and then we have standard form, which isn't my personal favorite, but it makes solving for the intercepts really easy. And that's just ax plus by equals c. Where basically a, b, and c are numbers. Okay, sometimes the book will give them to you, sometimes you have to solve for them, but yeah, they're just numbers, so don't get scared off by all these crazy letters here. So in this equation, in the point-slope form equation, so what I'm referring to, your variables are y and x, just like always, and those aren't going to go away. But your x1 and y1 is just a point, so they're going to give you a point, and that point is going to have some number for x1 and some number for y1. And the only other thing to worry about in this equation is m, which m is just your slope. It's how steep the line is and if the line is going up or down. And check out my graphic videos for more information about how to figure out what the slope is. So then the slope-intercept is intercept form. There we go, that equation. M is just slope again. That does not change. That stays the same. And then our B is our y-intercept. And if you don't know what that means, that's okay. Check out the graphic videos, like I said, but to give a quick introduction, basically we have the Cartesian plane with x and y, and we have a line going through it. And yes, that's supposed to be a straight line. I can't draw freehand, I apologize. But our y-intercept is basically just very straightforward, where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so that wraps up this video. I hope that helped kind of sort out these three equations in your head and give a little bit of background on them. Check out the other videos for how to apply these equations, how to use them, graph them, solve for them, plug numbers in. And thank you all for watching. Please leave comments if you think of anything that you would like to see in the future or would like explained. I would be happy to explain it. And thank you all for watching.